Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A200 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about phone. Now we have to localize a special number which is called build number, so let's try in status information. Let's scroll down to the very bottom and the build number is not here. So maybe here all parameters and information. Let's enter this section, and as you can see at the very bottom we've got the build number. So now all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and confirm it with your screen lock if you've got one. We've got this information, so we can go back to the general settings and enter the system. Right here we've got the developer options which just appeared. So let's tap on them, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the standby apps, we can turn the option to don't keep activities, show view updates, manage the window animation scale. Here we've got the networking options, so the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So basically everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. Just tap on the option to activate it and tap on it again to turn it off. And if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, simply tap on the switcher which is at the top, which is pinned to the top of the screen. Just tap on it and your device will ask you to restart. So it will be allowed to actually turn off this option. So simply click on restart and the developer options will disappear from the list, but I don't want to do it right now. Basically the developer options will disappear from this list, but of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.